Create catchy banner animation for your website in Canva. Click Create a Design button and type video in the search bar. Click on Video option 1920 on 1080 pixels. Click on Canvas and Colorful Circle to change the color for background. Open Elements section from the left side and choose Circle Shape. Click on Colorful icon from the top to change color of the circle shape. Then drag and drop a photo of the first product. Place it from one side of the circle. Add photo of the second product and place it on another side of the circle. This photo has to be turned upside down by using arrows icon. Add third photo of this or another product. You can decrease or increase the photos to make it fit perfect to your vision. Use arrows icon to turn the photo in needed side. Finish the composition by adding the fourth photo of the product, but be sure to turn it to the right side and not to the left as on the screen. When all photos on the places, select all photos and circle. Click on three dots and choose Group. Now place all construction in the side and drag by the border to make it very big. Place it as you see on the screen. Want to have attractive Amazon listing? Just visit our website myspacestudio.com to find services that will improve your Amazon content and increase sales. From Amazon listing design to Amazon storefront development, your content will leave no chance for competitors. Check all links in the description and let's come back into Canva. From left side, open text section and click on Add a heading. Here you can add the title. Repeat the same to add a subtitle. Add correct title and change the font type following your brand or vision. Do the same with the subtitle. Don't forget to change the text colors and size to make everything work together. When text part is ready, click on three dots and choose Duplicate Page. Using arrows icon, turn the shape to place new product in the center. Change title and subtitle for the new product. Now repeat the same action for the rest of products. The next step will be adjusting the duration of each slide. For this, drag by the border to decrease the time of each slide. With shorter time, slides will change faster. That will keep animation active and catchy. After this, point with mouse between the slides and click on transition icon. Choose match and move animation and set up it between all slides. Click on play to see how animation work. To export the video, click on share button from the top right corner and choose download. Here choose MP4 video and click download again. Your catchy banner is ready.